आज होली है. Colors are flying in the air. Laughter is everywhere. And for a day, we forget all our worries. But have you ever thought, why does Holi bring so much joy? What is so special about this festival that even for a moment we feel truly free? Holi is not just about colors and celebrations. It is a festival of transformation. And if we look at it through the lens of Tantra, we will see that Holi is a reminder to let go of negativity, awaken inner joy, and free ourselves from everything that weighs us down. Before playing with the colors, we perform Holika Dahan. But why? The story of Holika and Prahlad is not just about devotion. It is a deep lesson about life and inner transformation. Holika represents ego, fear, jealousy, and all the negativity that holds us back, while Prahlad symbolizes faith, strength, and divine consciousness. When Holika burns, it's not just a ritual, it is a powerful message. Burn away the thoughts and emotions that stop you from growing. So today, think about this. What is your Holika? Is it self-doubt, anger, a painful past? This is a time to let go. Just like Holika turns to ash, let's decide to leave our negativity behind and step into a life full of positivity and strength. Tantra teaches us that colors are not just for fun. They are energies that influence our emotions and consciousness. Red gives us power and passion. Blue brings calmness and mental stability. Yellow fills us with wisdom and joy. Green restores balance and healing. When we play Holi, we are not just applying color. We are absorbing energy, washing away negativity, and realigning our inner self. This is not just a festival. It is a tantric process of renewal and joy. Many people associate Bhang with Holi. But let's go beyond tradition. Imagine someone drinking Bhang. Suddenly they feel light, fearless, and full of laughter. But the next day, the effect fades and life goes back to normal. Tantra teaches that real intoxication is not in any substance, but in the way, the joy of true freedom. Lord Shiva, the embodiment of bliss, is not happy because of anything external. He is joyful because he is free from attachments, fears, and worries. So instead of seeking happiness outside, let's experience the real Bhang, the intoxication of inner peace. Let's dissolve stress, embrace life, and celebrate with a heart that is truly free. Holi is not just a festival. It is a reminder to release negativity, embrace joy, and celebrate life fearlessly. It teaches us to burn out our inner limitations like Holika. Absorb the energy of colors to refresh our soul. Celebrate life with true, lasting happiness. So this Holi, let's not just play with colors. Let's color our hearts with peace, love, and freedom. Let's not just throw gulal. Let's throw away our worries and live fully. Holi hai. Happy Holi.